Hello, friends. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss some basic functions like left, replace, repeat, concat. We'll see how we use it. We'll quickly finish it up. Let's say with few examples. Say, for example, first we'll use the left and see how the left's formula correction works. For example, this is an ice cream. So let's try it. So we could do the equals to left open. We select the cell, comma, the number of characters. So now what the left means. So from the left, how many numbers or how many characters you want. So for example, I want one, two, three, three numbers. That means I want ice. So I just put three, I close the bracket and enter ice. You see, I get the ice. Now, say for example, I would like to do the replace function. I want to use a replace function. So let's try how replace works. Replace, you see the old text and everything is mandatory here. There's no optional. So old text is this. Okay, starting number is the from where to start. I want to start it from the first result, so one, and again the comma. Number of characters, how many characters you want to replace? I want to replace five characters, comma five. And what's the new text? So new text in double quotes. We'll just put double quotes here. Let's try it once again. Doesn't matter. We'll try once again. So we want to replace 78996 by 95354. And let's see. And you see how the replace works. The first five numbers are replaced with 955, 95354. Now we'll see how this repeat works. Now equals to repeat, R-E-P-T, repeat syntax. Now this is the text. How many number of times you want to repeat this? I want to repeat this five times. Equals to, you see? Now you have manu, five times. Now we'll see how concatenate works. VL is equals to COM, COM, CAT, concat. I say the text one, comma, double quotes, will put quotes, quotes, comma, it will be text three, close the bracket, and you say, this is how, guys, it works. On the next topic, we will give you some tricky questions. For example, how to add spaces between once we repeat, how we add spaces. This is how it works. So subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel, guys. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day ahead.